Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be covering getting hacked and losing 27 million. That's right, your boy was hacked and lost 27 million. Now I don't like talking about crypto exchanges because sometimes they get hacked and sometimes you lose your money. And today I'm going to be talking about which ones not to use. So I've been using a service called Metamask. I went on it because to get these little meme coins, you had to use some dodgy wallets, and Metamask was the wallet to use to this meme exchange. And unfortunately my wallet was raided today, and I Googled it, and apparently a lot of people's wallets are actually getting raided. So I'm not the only one. Embarrassment. I'm not the only one. But yeah, I lost 27 million. And what's even more interesting, it's actually kind of fun. You can actually see the transaction, find out the wallet it went to, and just see how much money they've been scamming from other wallets. So they've got like over a lot of money in their wallet, and they've just been stealing everyone else's coins. And just looking through the forums, a lot of people have been complaining about this for almost half a year. My wallet got raided 12 hours ago, so I should have known better. I was just stupid because I was trying to get lots of meme coins for a joke, and it didn't work out. I lost 27 million. Point is, I'm going to try sharing with you how you can protect yourself. So MetaMask, just avoid that as like the plague. It is just avoid it. It's bad news. Or if you're going to use it on your mobiles. You're one step less away from getting hacked. Now I was stupid because I used their Chrome extension. Now if you ever have to use a Chrome extension to access your wallet, avoid that, because Chrome is an infected piece of garbage. There's malware city all over Chrome. There's hackers all over. The fact is, Chrome is now constantly showing you that update button on the top right corner, forcing you to upgrade the Chrome because Chrome's always getting hacked on the side. So you always have to update your 0-day vulnerabilities in Chrome because Chrome is just malware city. People are spying on you. Now I know this, yet I was stupid enough to install the Chrome browser extension because I wanted to get in on one of these meme wallets. I figured it was a joke and I wanted to get in on it. And the only way for me to use that service was to use it. So I should have known better. I shouldn't have used MetaMask, but I used the Chrome extension, and that was my first mistake. Now, how they managed to hack me? Well, one, I could have a virus. Maybe these M1s, maybe they're infected. Maybe someone used that 0-day and got in my Chrome somehow. Maybe someone's got a keylogger, or maybe someone's got a private address generator. You see, the way you store your money on this service is that you type in a really long number. Now this long number is going to take forever to generate, but if someone has a private key generator, they can just hit the random button enough times and hopefully they'll strike gold and rob your money. So maybe it's just as simple as just playing the guessing games. People win money on the lottery all the time. So maybe it's just like a lotto odds winner, or maybe someone's using the 0 days, or maybe someone inside MetaMask is hacking their wallets. I'm looking at you, Sunshines. Or maybe I just got unlucky, or maybe I didn't give someone the password. Why would I do that? I didn't do it. But the point is, I've been hacked. I lost 27 million. Haven't even told my wife yet. I'm scared she's going to run away from me because I'm no longer a multimillionaire. Oh, sad. Sad news. But hopefully my sadness is your happiness. And I'm letting you guys know now, if you're using the browser extension for MetaMask, just transfer your money out of it as quickly as possible. It is not a safe platform. If I can get hacked, and I'm a pretty tech savvy kind of dude, I can get hacked. You guys can get hacked. So just avoid that one like a plague. I previously reviewed other exchanges on this channel. Maybe go to a place that kind of gives you some sort of two-factor authentication, something a bit more solid. Someone maybe that gives you an IOU if they get hacked, something a bit more investor backed, I don't know, something with a bit more security than some random service to get a meme coin. And the next thing is, don't store any Ethereum in your wallet, because one of the biggest other question marks around Ethereum is this whole smart contract business. Now the Ethereum blockchain could be solid, but the smart contracts inside it, just a bit of code that's running, they could be easily exposed. A lot of these meme coins, they're made by little fun time kind of people. They're not the best in security. They do get audited to make sure that they're more solid, but there's always vulnerabilities, and even Google's code, Microsoft's code, everyone's code has vulnerabilities. So the little time dudes, smart contracting away. Maybe someone found an exploit in the smart contracts. So if you are doing meme coins, just be careful, don't store it in. It's pretty sad actually. I contacted MetaMask as well. I said, hey, you guys, what's happened? Why did you authorize this transaction? And they said, because of the amount of emails we're getting, we're gonna reply back to you hopefully in 7 days. So I haven't got a reply back yet. Obviously, I tried contacting the maker of the coin. I'm not expecting a reply back from that guy. He's probably too busy making money. But yeah, I don't know what to say. Just putting it out there. I got hacked. If you're using MetaMask, just don't use that service. There's plenty of other services to use. If you have your recommendations, maybe leave them in the comment section below. But remember, when reading the comments, you don't know if they're real people or dodgy people. So just don't really know what to tell you. Just, I've been using Kraken as well. Haven't been hacked on them yet. So maybe they're a better service to use. They're of course not decentralized. They're an actual exchange. You can also use your own hardware wallet. Atomic, that one's a good guy to check out. But again, these guys may get hacked in the future, so just be careful. Pretty much, I'm just putting this message out there saying, if I could lose 27 million, you can do too. So just good luck out there. Hope you guys found this video useful. It's very embarrassing putting it out there that you got hacked. I mean, the name of this channel live should be called Heads of Noob. Heads of Noob, that's my new channel name, because my money is gone. I'm gonna have to return this MacBook Pro M1, salvage what I can get from Apple, please. I'm out of wealth. I need to go on the dole again. I need to get my situation. No, it's only a meme token, so even though I was a millionaire, it's not actually worth that much. But still, it's worth a lot of money. It's a lot of money. It's still worth a lot of money. And yeah. But it's not as much as the title of the video. One day it might be. Not saying you should buy that meme coin, because that one could also, it actually already went down. It was 200, now it went down to 20 and then it's 30. It goes all over the place. I just figured it was cool. But yeah, just figured I'd share this guys with you. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.